Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lawon Ajoke. I lead the team of Jocks Agro and more. And in this video, I'll be walking you through our basic farm routine in our extensive system of growing snails. Every snail farmer has different methods they use in their snail farm. This is one of the methods that we use in growing snails here. You will notice that before we entered into this space, we removed our slippers. That is our number one biosecurity. Some people wear farm boots, some people wear socks, some people use their leg like we do here. So whatever works for you is just fine, right? Why I don't wear farm boots is because we sometimes enter into the snailry itself, this bushy part of the farm, to check for mortality, to check for eggs that was not properly incubated, and to also provide shade for the snails. So if I was wearing a boot, I will most likely step on the baby snails. So we are trying to reduce casualties to the barest minimum as we can. And some you might be wondering, why do we have water in this tray? Right? It's a very simple terminology. So this tray, we we fed the snails with our locally formulated feed and calcium made from snail shells. The calcium made from snail shells and the organic snail feed is available in the farm. By the way, you can place your order if you are a snail farmer or you are starting snailry. Our calcium and feed is the best feed you can give your snails to eat. You can see all our feeding trays, they are practically empty. They are empty, so it means that it supports the growth of the snails. It helps them to grow better, it helps them to grow well, and they love it. There is literally no leftover in all of our feeding trays. Now, why we have water here is because it rained overnight. So before the rain started, the snails had finished eating the feed. When the rain came in heavily, this tray also kind of harvested this water. Now, the reason why I'm not pouring this water back into the greenhouse directly is because my soil is moist already. In fact, it is over moist. The rain too do. The rain came in heavily, and the outpour of the water is just more than enough for the soil. So if I then pour this water into the soil back, I might have a waterlogging issue, right? And I don't want my soil to be waterlogged. So that is why I am picking up and pouring away the water into a separate container. So if you can follow this step. You can also pour it in the greenhouse. Anyhow you choose, this is what works for me. I'm just sharing my farm routine here for intending snail farmers to learn. And you can see there was a part where we saw eggs under the papaya tree. So I assisted in properly incubating the egg. So these are your functions, your job as a snail farmer in the intensive system. Having an intensive system doesn't mean that is the end of work for you. You would still need to do basic farm routines, to check for dead snails, because of course snails are going to die. I won't even sugarcoat anything for you. You will have mortality. your snails will not incubate their eggs properly. So this is where they need you to help them to incubate the eggs properly. And you can just see the natural habitat. You can see how the snails are literally everywhere, enjoying the cool atmosphere that we have provided for them. So this is what we do every day. It is not every day we pack water from the tray. Actually, if it doesn't rain, we'll just pack our empty trays and leave the greenhouse. Okay, so this is our basic farm routine. If you love this video and you want me to share more of our daily farm routine here on YouTube, do give this video a thumbs up, drop your comments, and of course share to everyone, share to people within your network. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more premium content on snail farming. If you're in diaspora and you need snails either for personal consumption or for resale, we are your go-to brand for snails. Our snails are grown organically and they are big. Our snails do not shrink, so you will get value for money here. If you are just starting out snail farming, you don't know what to do, how to go about snailery, I have a free webinar that is coming up in the month of October. Under this video there is a link to join the WhatsApp group, so do ensure to join. Another thing you should always watch for as a snail farmer using the extensive system is to check your net. When I was shooting this video, I discovered that there was a loophole in my net, and we even found 3 snails outside. So we do not even know how many snails had escaped with this space that we have, but I already fixed it. I'm just showing us this so that you will see the kind of work you'll be doing in your intensive system. So I'll see you next time. Bye.